Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you free text-to-video AI tool. It is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. In the world of digital content creation, videos are becoming increasingly popular. However, creating high-quality videos can be time-consuming and requires a lot of expertise. Fortunately, with the advancement of artificial intelligence technology, tools such as free text-to-video AI tool, AugX Lab, is now available. In this tutorial, we will discuss the different features of AugX Lab and how it can help you create videos quickly and easily. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or just someone who wants to create videos, AugX Lab can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. So, let's dive right in and explore the different features of this free text-video AI tool. Now, how do you access AugX Lab? You're first going to go to augxlab.com, or you can simply open a new tab and search AugX Lab. And you would be able to open AugX Lab over here. Now, to get started, as you know, AugX Lab is just a beta, so if you encounter any issues or any bugs, it's going to be normal. What you're simply going to do when you encounter a bug is to either refresh the page or start fresh. As you can see here also on their homepage, we have a short description. Augie, an AI assistant that transforms your script, narration, or webcam phone recordings into a custom video. Then, make any adjustment or customization in RSA in our easy-to-use interface. No editing skills required. Your videos will be downloadable as MP4 in either portrait or landscape mode, great for both TikTok and YouTube content. Now, to use Aug, you're simply going to click on Join the Beta, and you would be redirected to this page over here. Now, assume that we are a free user. I'm going to log out, and this is what you're usually going to see first when you click on Join the Beta. You're going to have to create an account by putting in your first name, email, password, and then confirm password over here. It might take a while for you to be able to fully create an account and access AugX Lab because a lot of people are trying to use this AI tool as well. So with a bit of waiting and a bit of patience, you will receive an email that you will now be able to access AugX Lab. So now I'm going to log in, and now I'm back in our homepage. This is the homepage of AugX Lab. As you can see here, I have created two random videos or random content from earlier that we are going to check out later on. First, we're going to check out our dashboard right now. If you want to get Beta Plus, you can click on this section and you would be able to access more features. As you can see right now, we have free, which is $0, and we have watermarks, 2-minute video max length, 4 videos per month, free images only, free music, synthetic voice, and you won't be able to access the generative art, generative text, collaboration mode, CMS integration, automatic CMS meta tagging. You won't be able to access this. 5. Over here on the premium version, which is $34 per month, you will have no watermarks. You can do 5-minute max video. You can do 20 videos per month. There's premium image inclusion, unlimited premium music, synthetic voice video, generative text video, and generative art over here. For the enterprise, which is $75 per month, you would be able to use collaboration mode, CMS integration, and automatic CMS meta tagging. You could also have a different pricing for the monthly, which is $40 and $95 over here. Now going back, now to create a video, you're simply going to click on create over here. You would be able to upload, record, text, or ask a prompt to generate a script for you. And you could also enable populate my Augie with AI selected images. You would be able to change this later on. If you don't want Augie to do the images for you, and if you would like to upload the images yourself, you could disable this. But for now, we're going to enable this, and we're going to ask a prompt. As you can see here, you could ask it to create a script for you. As you can see, write me a 30-second narration about, then you're simply going to type in the topic. For example, we're going to ask it to create us a narration about how good AugX Lab is, just like that. And we're going to generate transcript over here. You could also select a voice over here. You have racial, dummy, Eli, Josh, Arnold, Sam, Bella, Adam, and Anthony. As you can see here, it automatically generated our script over here. Now we're going to listen and select a voice before we could proceed. We're going to go with,
Hi, my name is Ellie, and I'll be narrating your audio today.
going to click on next, and it will create our video for us. You're going to have to wait for a few minutes or maybe 10 minutes because it's going to take a while and it depends on your internet. As you can see here, we're going to click on create. You could add keywords to get the best returns for your initial videos also over here. You're going to click on create, and as you can see, it's now converting audio to text, and you're simply going to wait for a few minutes before this will be over. Now, as you can see here, when I hover over the different files that I have, I could edit this, edit Augie, duplicate Augie, download Augie, and delete Augie over here. You can simply do whatever you would like if you would like to delete this. While waiting for this other video that we have, we're going to check out this video that I have created early on. As you can see here, I have created a video about dogs being loyal.
Dogs are loyal, loving companions. They bring joy and laughter to our lives. They are always there for us, no matter what. Dogs truly are man's best friend.
As you can see, that's a very short video. We could switch our orientation by clicking this. It will become a full video. And as you can see, these are the different photos that the AI has chose for itself. You would be able to change a specific image by simply clicking on the certain clip. And you're going to search for dog over here, for example. And you're going to wait for the media. And as you can see, we have dogs over here. You can change it to, for example, this one. It will automatically change just like that. Over here on the left side, you can select media, choose from your library, could ask it to generate, edit your transcript, add subtitles, add music, filters, effects, and placement over here. After finalizing your video, after being satisfied with the video that has been created for you, you can simply download it over here by clicking this. Now going back, we're going to check out if our video is finished creating. As you can see here, we're going to open this. And we could see this report over here. The audio length is 31 seconds. The shots detected is 10. The estimated time saved is 1 hour. Going to exit this, and we're going to hear or play our video over here.
AugieX Labs is an amazing company that provides innovative solutions to help businesses succeed. They offer a wide range of services, from web development and design to digital marketing and analytics. Their team of experts are highly experienced and knowledgeable in their respective fields, ensuring that their clients get the best results. AugieX Labs also offers competitive pricing, making them an ideal choice for businesses looking for quality services at an affordable price. With AugieX Lab, you can be sure that your business will be in good hands.
Now, as you can see, some of the different images are not fitting to the content. So, like I did earlier, you're simply going to select the clip and you can search for whatever topic that you would like to have. For example, lab, just like that. And you're going to wait for it. And as you can see here, we have different lab over here. We're going to change this a bit. Computer lab, just like that. And we're going to select this one, and as you can see, our photo has now been changed. And when you're satisfied with your photo or video, you can simply click on download video over here, and you would be able to download that specific video that you have created. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily use AugieX Lab as a text to video AI. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.